to not think this is to do with us, look. Go down to sleep and they fly over our house. See? See what's going on? Someone's making a call that's getting them to come, they're coming, and they're making out each time that it's something new, look. You'll be very aware that they have to come out based on some kind of action that's happened. There has to be something that triggers it off, look. Right over our house, listen to this. 11:30 at night. We were sitting in the park cave. They were flying over our heads in the park cave. I filmed them flying around when we had moved to another part of Regent's Park, closer to the Great Portland Street entrance. Here I am at home filming them earlier, and they've come back again at 11:30, and they're flying directly over our house here. Listen. We know the formula. Someone's making a call. Let's investigate, CIA. What are these calls? There must be a registered reason why they've come out. There has to be. They have to have registered it somewhere because they're a public sector. They're working for the public to protect the public. And this is not protecting the public if they're always in the same area.